Thanks very much for staying with us. Straight away going across to a breaking update that we are getting to know where two Rohingyas, we are told, that have been caught near a vital army installation in Jammu. Now, what is being said that incriminating material too that has been recovered from them and they have been handed over to the police. Two Rohingyas, we are told, that have been caught near the vital army defense installation, and this has happened in Jammu. We are told this is a breaking update that we are getting for our viewers as of now. And what we are also told that incriminating material that has now been recovered from them, they were said to be hiding in Badi Brahman's Teli Basti area there, and what is being said that some Pakistan and Myanmar phone numbers that have also been recovered and some mobile phones that have also been recovered from these suspects, which is currently being investigated. So these are two Rohingyas, we are told, who have been caught near the vital army installation in Jammu. They have been now handed over to the Jammu and Kashmir police, and they were said to be hiding in Teli Basti area. Now, these are the two suspects there, the pictures there on your screens, and some incriminating material, mobile numbers, mobile phones that have now been found from them, from these suspects, which is currently being investigated. Straight away going across to Gursimran. Now, Gursimran, what more do we know of these two suspects that have now been caught?
See, they have been caught by the Indian Army Jawans when they were seen near the vital installation of the Indian Army, which was under the radar of the terrorist we have seen in the recent past as well. And they were detained, and upon their investigation, it came into being that the mobiles they were carrying, they have the mobile numbers of Pakistan as well as Myanmar. They were also having two groups from which were operating from Pakistan, +92 series numbers they were operating from, and they were part of those groups. They have been identified as Abdul Salim and Abdul Amin, aged 34 and 47 respectively. And very important to mention that they have been active in the area since very long. They have been hiding in the Teli Basti area of Badi Brahmana, which falls in the jurisdiction of Samba. And we have seen that in the past as well, there have been number of incidents where we have seen how the Rohingyas have been proved to be a threat to the national security. Apart from that, now the Special Operations Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police is investigating them. SOG is questioning them about their whereabouts because they haven't informed the government authorities of their arrival in Jammu, and they have been hiding in the Teli Basti area. It's important to mention that a South Kashmir-based terrorist was arrested from the same area when he was hiding here in Jammu. Since then, the arrest of that terrorist from Jammu, the agencies were on the alert and they were keeping a continuous vigil on each and every suspected movement. And yesterday, when near the vital installation of the Indian Army, they were seen, they were caught by the Indian Army and have now been handed over to the Special Operations Group.
So the security situation there, as we are told, we are looking at vital army installation there in Jammu. Straight away going across to Zeenath, and our other reporters also joining us at this point. Zeenath, what more do we know? Because last time when such an attack at a defense installation happened in June, that was a time when a different kind of a terror tactic that was being used by the terror groups there using drones. What more do we know in this case?
See, as far as the security establishment and just taking care of the security establishment, as far as in Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, all the establishments here in Kashmir are on high alert because after seeing the developments coming on the ground, whether it was the infiltration or they tried, and when the ceasefire was violated in the Matsal sector recently, now the installations as far as the Kashmir or the Jammu is concerned, we are looking that the army is looking into the situation very carefully. They are maintaining that their forces are on high alert, because the way Pakistan tries to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir, whether it is through they are sending the infiltrators, whether the operation that is going on in Poonch, Rajouri, or for that matter, we are seeing the target killings in Kashmir Valley, where now the laborers are moving out from the Kashmir Valley despite getting the assurance from the administration as well as the police. In fact, they have been shifted to the safe homes, but at the same time, we are seeing a kind of fear that has been generated as far as the target killings is concerned. But meanwhile, the police establishments also, where you have the weapons around, where the ammunition dumps of the army and all, everything is Indian Army trying to secure. And meanwhile, they have also pushed into the drone services to monitor the important installation as far as the line of control in Kashmir is concerned, or for that matter in IB, international border, that falls in the Jammu district. So a lot of developments in Kashmir as well as in Jammu, because the Pakistan trying to best to destabilize the normal democracy as well as the peace in Jammu and Kashmir. But at the same time, the way the Home Minister is taking the review of the situation, special teams have been constituted as far as the sources are telling us that the special teams under the leadership of the Home Minister is concerned, that special teams have been formed and many of the teams have been traveling to Kashmir Valley also. Although there had been the teams earlier also, they have visited Kashmir. They are investigating the number of killings that had happened in the recent past. But now again the new teams have been deputed to Kashmir who are going to work with Jammu and Kashmir as far as the migrant labour cases are concerned.
I'm told that Rawat is also joining us at this point, straight away going across to him too, because what we are told that these are two Rohingyas. These are the suspects, the picture there on your television screens, who have been caught near the vital army installation. And this has happened in Jammu. They have now been handed over to the Jammu and Kashmir police there. Rawat, can you tell us what all that has been recovered from them?
अगर हम बात करें कि वहाँ पे जो रिकवरी जो इनसे हुई है, कुछ मटेरियल्स के साथ साथ मोबाइल फोन्स भी उनसे रिकवर हुए हैं। और यहाँ पे बड़ी बात यह है कि जो उनके पास मोबाइल फोन है, जो सिम कार्ड्स वगैरह हैं, वो पाकिस्तान की सीरीज है, +92 करके जो उनके पास सीरीज है, जो कि पाकिस्तान में सिम कार्ड चलाए जाते हैं, वो उनसे रिकवर हुई है। पहले ये इंडियन आर्मी ने ऑपरेशन चलाया था, इंडियन आर्मी ने इनको अरेस्ट किया है, लेकिन बाकी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए है इनको फिलहाल जम्मू एंड कश्मीर पुलिस के हैंड ओवर किया है। अभी पुलिस ने कंफर्म नहीं किया कि पुलिस ने ये नहीं बताया कि इनसे क्या क्या पूछताछ है। फिलहाल जानने में यही खबर मिल पा रही है कि ये कुछ सस्पेक्ट्स है जो कश्मीर रिलेटेड किलिंग्स हुई है, कहीं इनके साथ भी इनका कोई कनेक्शन तो नहीं। फिलहाल इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी चल रही है। जी।